Hi everyone, I'm Katie from Safewise, here to give you an update on Frontpoint Home Security. As of May 3rd, 2021, Frontpoint is changing some of its professional monitoring and equipment prices, and we wanted to give you the latest. If you want to learn more about Frontpoint, check out our video in the description. That is a full review. We also have a full written review on Safewise.com if you want to learn more about Frontpoint's equipment, pricing, and policies. And like and subscribe to Safewise for more updates like this. All right, let's jump in. So here's the big news. Previously, Frontpoint had two professional monitoring plans, the interactive plan for $45 and the ultimate plan for about $50. As of May 3rd, the interactive plan is out of here and Frontpoint is only offering the $50 plan. So signing on for Frontpoint now means you're agreeing to a $50 a month bill. But that's not all bad. You still get the Frontpoint app, smart home integration, and the video. And when you sign up for Frontpoint's monitoring plan now, you only have to pay $19.99 a month for the first 3 months. The only problem is once those 90 days are up, your bill skyrockets to $50 a month. Another big part of this update is Frontpoint is cutting its equipment plans down to 3. As of now, you can choose from the Safe House, the Bunker, or the Fortress. We have more details on those in our written review on Safewise.com. So while the packages and professional monitoring are more expensive, Frontpoint is keeping one of our favorite features, the zero down financing. You can put $0 down if you need a security system right now and sign a contract financing the equipment. Or you can pay for the system up front and not have to deal with a contract in the long run. It's totally up to you, and we like that you get the option. So here's a quick recap. Frontpoint monitoring is now $50 a month. The company has 3 packages to choose from. Newcomers only pay $19.99 a month for the first 3 months, and you can pay up front and skip the contract or get a system for $0 down with financing and a contract. So what does this mean for existing Frontpoint customers? Honestly, not much. If you're currently on the interactive plan, that's the $45 a month, you don't really have to change it and you can stay there as long as you like. That's it for now. Subscribe to Safewise for more updates like this one on Frontpoint and other home security systems. But for now, stay safe.